Song last October. It's under ABS-CBN Star Music.
Ray Mercado. Skip microphone. Jerome. Isang mic pa. After ng Q&A natin, we'll perform nila yung 2 songs nila ng Christmas songs. Then also, Candice Crigo of Push.com.
Good afternoon to everyone. First, I introduce my bandmates. Let them introduce themselves. We are the Inner Voices. And, sige.
I'm George Esparano. I play drums and percussions for you. I'm Joseph Cruz. I play the keyboard.
I'm a Tony Ray. I play the keyboards too, and I make most of the songs ng band.
My name is Patrick. Ako po yung vocalist. And daddy ko siya.
Rodetex on guitar. Happy birthday.
Alvin Andreas.
Palapakan natin Inner Voices! Meron silang ilo-launch ngayon na single. Pasko'y muling darating. Mamaya papakinggan natin nakakantay nila live para sa atin. And umpisa na natin ang ating Q&A portion. Umpisa natin kay JB. Soundcheck Manila.
Hi guys, my name is JB Arteaga. I'm from Soundcheck Manila. So, my first question is, of course, tell us about your single. It's Christmas themed. Kasi I looked you guys up and most mga rock or mga covers, correct? So, what made you guys decide to do something from Christmas naman? And how do you guys celebrate Christmas yearly? Thank you!
Okay, we released a Christmas song last October. It's under ABS-CBN Star Music. The title is Pasko sa Ating Puso. So when we conceptualize it, kasi naisip namin, pusong Pasko sa Pilipinas, di ba? We have the most festive Christmas carol, the longest Christmas in the world. So we thought of creating a Christmas song that would embody the traditional Filipino spirit. But kasi yung Christmas song sa Pilipinas, most of the time it's love song or minsan iniwan ng longing, minsan iniwan ng partner, di ba yung mga team ng mga Christmas song. So this time we envision a song na would parang describe the typical Filipino Christmas family, gatherings, festive mood, mga parol sa daan, Christmas lights and everything. So yung para siya modern Noche Buena with a modern twist. Okay, and tomorrow naman we'll be releasing another Christmas song. The title is Pasko'y Muling Darating, this time under UMG Records. So kasi in recent, pagka-release namin ng isang kanta sa Pasko sa Ating Puso, parang may napansin namin na medyo kakaiba yung Christmas spirit ngayon, di ba? Parang the focus of the people is yung mga problema ng bayan, yung politika, galit, and pangamba. So, parang medyo nagtatabunan yung Christmas spirit. So, we made this song Pasko'y Muling Darating to say that there's hope amidst all this chaos and difficulties and confusion at hindi pagkakaunawaan. Christmas is coming and everything will be fine.
Thank you. And good luck po.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Next question from Vincent Ricardo of Philippine Concert.
Hi, my question is kay Mr. Ray Mercado. Ano po yung mga naging inspiration or particular moment po kaya nyo nasulat yung Pasko'y Muling Darating?
Yun kasi when we were watching the news and of course yung mga feeds sa social media, parang most of the people aren't talking about Christmas at all. They're talking about, you know, yung mga controversies sa government, yung mga nangyayaring hindi maganda. So in fact, parang di ba usually during natin yung mga Christmas song, we like to enjoy siya. And then ngayon, parang napapansin namin, even on the radios, even sa mga malls, hindi siya masyadong napapansin. So we thought of creating the song para to say, to convey the message that despite all this, Christmas is coming and it's time for healing and everything. We all sa atin ng bansa.
Okay, ang next naman is from Sir Albert Ryan of Chicanes and Hera.
Hey, hello, hi. Congratulations. And tama kayo yung nag-compose, no? Ganyan. So, what was the process like from your end? Ano yung naging ilang minutes lang ba to o oras? And what was the mood like when you were composing the song?
Okay, yung lyrics saglit lang eh. Natapos namin yan in less than an hour. And we have a friend, Edward Pedro, sa radio, na laging available for us. So, nung we put up some music and we forwarded it to him para let's make it a song. So, in 2 days, natapos namin yung demo niya. In 1 week, na-record namin lahat yan. Nakantahan ni Patrick sa studio, nalabanan ng musika ng mga kabanda namin. So, in 2 weeks, tapos lahat. Na-upload namin in a week, and 2 weeks, ito na-release ko siya tomorrow.
Wow, bilis.
Yes. Mabilis to. I think we talked to UMG about a week before December. And then sabi nila, sige, release yun ng December 5. So lahat to 2 weeks nangyari.
So ito yung time na 500 lang yung Noche Buena na napasok niyo to.
Oh, isa sa mga issues yan, di ba? Instead of us talking about Noche Buena, here we are talking about kasya ba yung 500? So kahirapan lang pinag-usapan. And sarcasm yung nangingibabaw, di ba? So, isa nga din yun sa dahilan. Pero at that time, ginagawa namin, wala pa yung Noche Buena issue na yan eh.
Pero may part ng lyrics na pasok, yung sarcasm na yun.
Wala naman.
Okay.
It's all good.
Okay. And anong tawag nito? Ano yung vibe ba niya? Yung tipong pang-caroling na how do you want this music to be appreciated by the audience?
Alright, yung Pasko sa ating puso ay sa caroling time. So, masaya siya, masaya festive. Itong Pasko yung muling darating, it's more on inspirational Christmas song. It brings hope sa mga tao this Christmas season.
And last na lang, as a group, what's your anong Christmas gift na gusto nyo sanang matanggap for this Christmas?
As a group, syempre gusto ko success sa band kasi it's not about me anymore. And I'm pretty sure each one of them is not about their personal glory anymore. We're friends off the stage. Friends kami talaga, mas nakikita nga kami. Kasi we just spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours sa stage. But when we're together, we spend about 12 hours. And we go to adventures together, we ride the bike together, so we dine together. So yun yung sa lalo kami maging close-knit na group and success sa band more. At sa mga kasamahan namin sa musiko, hindi lang sa amin.
Congrats! All the
Salamat
best
sa
sa songs nyo.
And next question naman from Rider PH, George Palawiga.
Attorney, nung narinig ko yung pangalawang kanta, mid-tempo siya, no, compared dun sa una. I was thinking na, is that because it's the band recognizing na talaga namang ang Pilipino ay ballad loving more than upbeat. Is that right?
Okay, yung Pasko yung muling darating isn't really a ballad na love song eh. But we thought, kasi ang saya-saya ng Pasko sa ating puso. So itong Pasko muling darating, we deliberately made it a slow pace na music and more on inspirational talaga na we like the people to feel yung nararamdaman ng iba. Kasi di ba, sabi nga nila, we're not on the same boat. Your problem, maaaring hindi problema ng iba, hindi mo sila naiintindihan. So dito, like everyone to be able to feel yung nararamdaman ng iba.
Arrangement-wise, meron ba kayong nilagay na Christmas elements sa song?
Yes, of course, yung the usual bells and the usual strings ng mga solemn na Christmas song. Yung Pasko sa ating puso, of course, yung mga bells doon dapat hindi pwedeng mawala.
But you've always been experimental naman with arrangement.
Yes, that's true.
Especially as you cover a wide range of genres.
Yes.
Kay Pati, is this the first time you recorded Christmas song?
Yeah, first time. yung actually una namin na-record yung Pasko sa Ating Puso. And hindi ko alam na magkakaroon kami ng yung mellow tempo, which is yung Paskong Muling Darating. Actually, nung first binigay sa akin yung material, excited ako, but honestly, I wanted the slow one. Yeah, because nasanay ako nung Jose Marichan or yung the famous one also ni Ariel Rivera. So, yung binigay niya sa akin yung last minute din, I have 2 days to learn lang yung Pasko'y Muling Darating. Kaya excited ako na makinig nyo din ito lahat. So we have a mellow one and a caroling type, which is yung Pasko sa Ating Puso.
I wonder if, my last question, I wonder if it crossed your minds na what they usually do na just a cover of an already popular Christmas song or traditional song. Or talagang from the start we do something original, we do original.
First time ko kasi talaga ito yung makapag-record ng original songs. But I used to cover yung kay Jose Marichan and kay Ariel Rivera. Yun lang yung madalas ko nakakanta.
And I understand the band then did cover versions of traditional or popular Christmas songs in the past, no? Tama ba?
Yes, many years ago we did Sana Ngayong Pasko.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Ayan, trivia lang, attorney. Itong, ito nagtanong sa inyo ay singer-songwriter din.
Yes,
Dati ko siyang artist noong way back in Philippine music.
Metropop, narinig ko.
Iman, panaligan. Kasi Iman lang talaga siya. Iman lang, no? Walang panaligan. Iman
Sa
yung band
Metropop
niya.
ka ni Jojo.
Oo, yes.
Yes.
In Philippine music, BMG noon kami, magkasama kami ni Jojo. Kaya hindi ako makakalimutan ito, may nangyari sa akin. Fake news po yun. Our next question will be coming from Manila Concerts. Manila Concerts si Kevin Doble.
No po, congrats po sa new 2 singles.
Thank you,
Yes.
thank you.
Happy holidays na rin po. Speaking of happy holidays, ano po yung tumatak na line from this Pasko sa Ating Puso? Ano yung pinaka-memorable na yun sa song tumatak sa inyo?
Ako po yung second line, yung may parol ng makukulay, sumasayaw sa hangin. Ayan, kaya excited ako na makanta to para marinig nyo yung buong letra ng kanta na isinulat ni Atty. Ray Vergado. But that line reminds me of my childhood when we celebrate Christmas because meron lang kami dahil sa bahay ng Christmas light and mga parol lang. We never had the big Christmas tree at home kasi maliit na yung bahay namin. Kaya yun yung tumatak sa akin, yung that line.
Ako yung sa Pasko'y Muling Darating yung kahit na anong unos, ay, natin mo. Ay, liwanag ay sisikat, magliwanag din ang mundo. Pinakagusto ko doon. Kahit pagkatapos ng unos, ang araw ay sisikat, magliliwanag din ang mundo. Pasko'y Muling Darating, may pag-asang dala sa atin. Yung pinakagusto.
Last question, any Christmas plans po?
Well, sa band, the usual kasi meron kaming yearly Christmas party together and kasama namin yung family ng bawat isa. And yung may extended family kasi yung band, may mga bands din na nakapaligid sa amin. Lahat yun kasama din. And of course, on Christmas Day, syempre, as much as possible, should be a family day. Pero most of the time, yearly, meron din dumarating na tugtog sa amin yan. Christmas and New Year. So, yun, ganoon ang Pasko namin taon-taon. Masaya, at the same time, feeling blessed. Christmas season.
Last na lang po. Ano yung Christmas wish niyo po for 2026?
Wish mo na
Nangyari
sabi
sa
mo.
ni Atty. Sana maging successful yung mga songs na i-release namin. And next year may i-release ko rin kami ulit. So sana same mangyari din sa mga nangyaring songs na ginawa namin.
Right?
Yeah, same as well kasi we put too much hard work sa mga ginawa naming songs. So, ayan ang number one prayer ko right now na magkaroon kami ng hit song. Yun lang. And syempre, yung samahan namin, because we're not band members lang, magkakaibigan eh. We're already a family. Kasama yung mga family din namin, alam mo yun. So, really about it.
Sa akin naman yung health. Kasi syempre araw-araw kami nasa labas. We play almost every day. Araw-araw. So, good health for everyone.
Akin na, success for everyone.
Alright, congratulations.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Anong wish mo?
Sana tumangkad ako.
Acknowledge ko lang yung representative from Cinema Bravo, si Marley. And I think makahabol natin sa TV5 si Bon Balinario. And abangan niyo sila sa 24 sa Christmas Eve na meron pa silang booking sa TV5. TV5 sila sa The Vibe Up ng TV5. So nandun sila. Katay nila yung kanilang 2 Christmas songs. Ayan. So I think wala na tayong pagpiparinig na meron pala. This is Candice Faye from Push.com.
Hello, good afternoon. Ano na lang as a band, what are you grateful for this year? Ano yung pinagpapasalamat?
Okay, ako, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako that we're still here kasi 2020 has been very challenging for us. We have major change. Of course, bagong singer namin just came in last April. And we went through some pains and challenges. Kasi syempre, mahirap yun, no? Magpalit ka ng contract. And we had to reorganize the band, reconfigure the band para to answer yung mga trend ngayon. And ayun, sobrang pasalamat that we're still here in front of you and we're still making music. Kasi aside from the 2 Christmas songs, we released lots of songs this year. Since April, nakapag-release na kami ng 11 songs. The latest of which was the EP Shadows under UMG Philippines. Yes.
Pahabol din sa kanya.
Attorney, may nakita akong post na kasama niyo si Jay Gurias. Are you collaborating for South Porter?
Hindi kasi most of us, mga riders din, nagmumotor kami.
Si Jay din ba?
So, meron kaming musikong moto club. Kasama dun si Jake, si Bitoy, and all the other, si Jeff Pangan, di ba? Yes. So every now and then we do rides together and have breakfast together. So yun lang yun. But kung lalapas pa yun, who knows, di ba?
Ayan. Bon Balinario of News 5, baka may habol ka dahil kailangan mo ng content.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Congratulations on your single launch. Tama ba? Nag-guest na kayo sa Vibe?
Yes, nag-guest kami sa Vibe Up and we also played sa main stage. We played yung Sayaw sa Ilalim ng Buwan. And on December 24 sa Christmas special ng Vibe Up, kami yung special guest.
Yeah. So far, how's the experience?
Sobrang overwhelming. In fact, to be honest, yung Spotify namin, yung digital, sobrang umangat after the guesting namin. So, thank you TV5 and Vibe.
Yes, thank you.
And siguro po yung next question is, what are the things that we can look forward to sa banda this 2026? Ano mga pasabog ng banda?
Okay, magre-release kami ng mas magaganda pang mga kanta. I believe na yung lalabas namin, mas kinasaya namin eh. So, we hope na mas magugustuhan ng mga makikinig.
Thank you po.
Ayan, siguro maraming salamat sa ating mga media friends sa pagdalo nyo ngayon. Napaka-intimate lang ng ating media pa ngayon. So ngayon, it's time para ipadinig na ng inner voices. May message daw muna. Attorney, message daw sa ating mga fans, supporters.
I would like to invite everyone to listen to our songs. Nag-release po kami ng maraming kanta sa digital, Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and other digital platforms. Nag-release po kami ng April ng 4 na kanta, and again, nag-release kami sa under yung record ng ng EP namin na Shadow. Naglalaman ng tulong kanta, and re-release last October a Christmas anthem under Star Music, under ABS-CBN Music, the title is Pasko sa Ating Puso. And now, and tomorrow, we'll be releasing another Christmas song under UMG Records. Pasko yung muling darating. Nawa po ay nakilikin niyo po yung mga music namin. Ito po ay talagang resulta ng good powers namin at pagod at inspiration na patuloy yung suporta sa amin. And we'd like everyone to follow our page, Inner Voices, sa YouTube, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And please follow us sa mga live performance namin. We perform here at Hard Rock Makati every Thursday, Hard Rock Manila on Saturdays. On Fridays, we play at Bar 9, and we have shows at 19 East, Noctos, and Pier 1.
So, siguro it's time para iparinig na sa ating media friends ang inyong